Giethoorn, in the Dutch province of Overijssel, is often called the Venice of the Netherlands, but unlike the Italian city of water, here are no streets and no modern transportation, just canals. Anyone going to Giethoorn should leave their car outside the village and travel by boat. Usually by whisper boat, which has an electric, noiseless motor, because diesel engines are forbidden in this area. Most houses in the village are located in small, private islands, which are connected by bridges. Lots of bridges. To be precise, there are more than 180 bridges in Giethoorn. High season in the Netherlands is the period between mid-April and mid-October. You can choose almost any date from this time to visit Giethoorn, but try to avoid August, when the village becomes too crammed with tourists. Proximity to Amsterdam generally makes Giethoorn a fine day trip, but we recommend to stay 1 or 2 nights here to really appreciate the tranquility and serenity of the village. If you want to stay in a hotel, you should try Hotel de Harmonie, which is situated along a canal in the northern, more quiet part of the village. Of course, the cheaper option is to rent a small farmhouse on Airbnb.com. The most famous cafe in Giethoorn is the Fanfare. It became well known after 1958 when the Dutch filmmaker Bert Hanstra partly shot his comedy Fanfare there. Whatever you do, make sure you rent a boat while you're there. This is the best way to explore the village. The perspective from the water is much better than merely walking along the canals. There are several boat renting options. In winter, the canals freeze over and are used for ice skating by locals and tourists alike. Giethoorn is amazingly popular among Chinese visitors. About 200,000 tourists from China come to the village every year. Considering the fact that total population of Giethoorn is just 2,620, this number looks very impressive. Despite the number of tourists and the public attention gained from their monopoly win, Giethoorn remains one of the most truly scenic and predominantly unspoilt destinations in Europe.